In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a footer reveal effect in Wix Studio. Start by logging in to your Wix Studio account and opening the website where you want to make the change. Once your site is open, click Edit Site to enter the editor. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the footer section. This will let you work directly with the area that appears at the bottom of your website. After selecting the footer, click Change Footer Design. Wix Studio will show you different footer layout options that you can use for your site. Choose a footer design that matches the style of your website. Pick one that gives you the structure you want for text, links, icons, and any other content you plan to display. Once you have selected the design, click Quick Edit to begin customizing it. Now update the content inside the footer. You can edit the text, replace images, add or remove icons, and adjust payment method graphics if your website uses them. You can also update links and any other elements included in the layout. Make sure everything fits the purpose and branding of your site. After that, move on to the design settings. Adjust the background so it blends well with the rest of the page. Update the colors to match your brand. You can also change the spacing and layout to improve the overall appearance and make the footer feel clean and balanced. To create the footer reveal effect, resize the footer so that the amount of visible content at the bottom of the page looks the way you want. This step is important because the reveal effect depends on how much of the footer becomes visible as users scroll to the bottom. Keep adjusting the height and layout until the result feels smooth and intentional. Once you have made those changes, click Preview and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Review how the footer appears and pay attention to how the reveal effect looks during scrolling. If needed, go back and continue adjusting the footer design, content, spacing, or size until you are happy with the final result. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.